I feel like I'm coming down right now while I got the hands high in the crowd right now. Nothing really makes sense, I don't really know why. Nothing ever works out, so why do I even try? Like, keep saying everything gon' change, but it never does. Different show, different clubs, same feeling, different drugs. Give a fuck what they say about us, I'm just looking for a way out day in and day out. Cause I know good things are coming, I just don't know when. Got me feeling like I'm running in a hurricane against the wind, and I don't know when the pain gon' end, but I gotta keep pushing, keeping the faith, hoping to find a place in a world full of hungry snakes with no taste. But fuck it, I'm getting older, gotta learn from my mistakes and say that I'm done running, but I never hit the brakes.
I'm alive, my heart keeps beating like a hammer. Hard to be soft, tough to be tender. Come take my pulse, the pace is on a runaway train. Help, I'm alive, my heart keeps beating like a hammer, hammer.
I've seen too much hurt and too much pain, too much loss without no gain. I feel I'm living in a cool joke, I don't know love cause my heart's broke. Cause I'll admit I fell in love with a friend, but I don't never wanna do it again, cause I got too much shit on my brain. Now I don't got enough time for your games.
Help, I'm alive, my heart keeps